This video I will show you how to book Airbnb in Zurich, Switzerland. So first of all, go to the airbnb.com website or access Airbnb on your mobile app or on your browser on your phone. So after you have that done, make sure you are logged into a verified account. And assuming you have that done, let's dive into this video. So in order to book an Airbnb in Zurich, Switzerland, we need to fill in the destination in here. So let's click on destinations and type in Zurich in Switzerland. And that is this one. So let's click on it. And after, we need to fill in the check-in date and the check-out date and the amount of guests that we're making the stay for. So let's say we are going a weekend in March with 2 adults, and after we're going to click on search. And as you can see, results are popping up in Zurich. And what's really nice about Airbnb is that you can use this map to get results based on different areas. So let's say you want to stay in downtown Zurich, so in the old city. They're going to zoom in all the way, and then you will only see results that are in your area. And the results will be visible in here to the left. So if you want to make certain adjustments, you can also click on this filters tab in here. And here you can basically set everything to your preferences. So do you like instant book, self-check-in, a washer? Would you like a room, entire home? You can select the price range because Switzerland can be expensive, of course. So this can be handy to set a range. You can also enter the amount of bedrooms, beds, everything that you like basically. And after you have your preferences set, you can click on show places in here. So let's say I'm going to change the price range a little bit. I'm going to click on this. And right now your results will be based on your filters that are applied. So let's say I like this apartment in here. Then I'm going to click on it. And now you will see more information about this apartment. You can also read this message that has been created by the host. You can also click on this info that is created by the host, and that is always a good thing to read. You can see what this place is offering. You will see when you are staying. You see the reviews. Of course, always good to read through the reviews. You see the location again. And down below, you can see what the host is like. So if everything is all right, you can basically go to this section in here. And here you will see what you will be paying per night, what the cleaning fees, taxes are, and sometimes there are other fees, and you can all see that in here. And the total price will be the price that you will be paying. So make sure that your check-in date and check-out date is all right and the amount of guests. And after, you can click on reserve. So in this next screen, you can choose when you are paying. So do you want to pay everything now, pay in parts, or pay over time? And you can also select your preferred payment method. And when you click on more options, you will have more payment methods. So you can also add a travel insurance, just basically do everything that you want. So when everything is all right, you're going to click on confirm and pay in here. And then you will be redirected to your selected payment method. And after you have filled in every detail, you will make your booking final. And your booking will be visible on your Airbnb account, and you will automatically have a chat with the host. So that is really nice. It works really well. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.